Hey guys, welcome back to Delve Stack, and today I'll be showing you how to find email associated with Instagram account. So to do this process, first things first is of course open up your Instagram application into your device. Now guys, once you are here, you will just simply go ahead and go to the profile tab, the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, here on your profile, guys, you can just simply go ahead and select the three lines on the top right corner of the screen. And now, over here, you should be able to have an option at the very top, Accounts Center. So go ahead and tap on Accounts Center over here. And now, here on the Account Center, you should be able to see here profiles and personal details. Now, guys, over here, as you can see on your personal details, you should be able to see here your contact info. And when you tap on that, guys, from here, you should be able to see the email associated with your Instagram account. And as of today, I have two accounts on my Instagram that I could use in order for me to log in into this specific account, or if you want to add a new contact, you should be able to see it over here. So pretty much guys, you can only see your email into your Instagram account, and you cannot see the email of other people account, because email are a personal things and it should be kept secret and for personal use only. Pretty much that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.